These are the elevators at the Thomas parking garage in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to, the buttons are on this side. Let's go to 8, 7, as you can see, it skips from 2 to 4 because this elevator does not serve 3. You've got a little directory on the buttons. So 7 is a parking floor, as you can see. Let's go down to, we're gonna see if it moves. Let's go down to 1. So again, basically you've got a directory on the buttons. Here's your inspection certificate. Here are fixtures. These are newer Series 2 fixtures. Here's your cab view. Now we're going to ride the other one. I believe these are on the same controller. Yeah, they are. Let's go to 7. And it's 8. 8 doesn't work, as you can see. Here we are at 7. We're going to get a little view out. You can't really, actually you can't really see much from here, but you can see some of the rest of campus. Let's go back down. So let's go to 1. So these are, yeah, these are Otis Gen2. Here's your inspection certificate. There it goes. And that'll be it.